everyone, this is Sheanifu Xie. Welcome back to CRUKING channel. Today we are arriving at Xiamen International Engineering Supply Chain Development Conference and Exhibition. Let's join the fair and see what kind of star machine wait for us. Let's go.
Wow, the shiny machine toy is just right here. I can approaching and taking a closer look.
This is LIUGONG really hot seller 3.5 small crawler excavator model 9035. It has integrated chassis and is equipped with small blade in the front. This is deep-packed, holding the capacity 0.11 cubic meters, and the weighing force is 20 kilograms. Moreover, the boom can reach 30 kg force.
There are total 3 night working lights, 2 above the cabin and 1 attached to the boom. So when you are working at night, it can illuminate working area clearly. Open the door and get into. Enjoying panoramic view, good air conditioner and heat insulation. Sitting on the suspension seat, which is so comfortable and easy to operate the machine. There is also the display screen.
As to transportation, 4 units can be fully loaded into 40 hydro containers. It's really easy to be shipped without any dismantling. So that's all. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please feel free to contact. Bye.